Okay, let's start. So we are going to start from the fifth one. Okay. So fifth one. Okay, so look at this fifth one. Village B is on a bearing of 135 and at a distance of 40 km from village A. As shown, village C is on bearing of 125 and a distance of 62 km from village A. Okay. So see, there is a one point A, and from this point A, we have a village B and C. Bearings and distance are given there. Okay. So first we just look for the B. So if you look there, B bearing of 135, okay, and distance of 40. So look, join A and B, join A and B. So this is 135, 135 degree. Okay. Okay, Khalila, we have joined A and B, and this bearing is given. Okay, this is north.
Okay.
Yeah, and distance is 40 kilometer. This is 40 kilometer, as you can see. Now, village C is on bearing of 225. So now join C and A. Okay. So in case of bearing of C from A, how will we measure? This way. Look at this way. Okay. So now you can see there is a 225. So 135 is already there. Now we check how much this. So you just do 225, and then there is 135. Subtract this, 5 minus 5 is 0, and carry over 12 minus 3.
I got the answer 100.
This is 90 degree. Okay.
Oh.
So this we are getting 90 degree, guys. Okay, and see 62 a distance. This is 62 kilometer. Okay, so A is at 225 bearings and 62 kilometer from this. The distance between A and C is 62 kilometer, and C is at a bearing of 225 from A. Okay, now what we have to do? So that the triangle ABC is a right triangle. Okay, first part, ABC is a right triangle. Now you can see this is the figure. Now
Hi, Sir Mukesh. How are you?
Quite pay attention what is going in the class. So join this B and C. Okay. So now we have this your ABC. You can see this ABC is right triangle. Why ABC is right triangle?
Because there's a 90 degrees.
Yes, angle BAC. Look, this angle A. Okay, BAC equals to 90 degree. That's why this is a right triangle. Okay. Calculate the distance from B to C. B to C, and giving your answer to nearest 0.1 kilometer. So here you can write this. How can you find out this BC? Yeah, can anybody tell me?
BC square is equal to 62 square plus 42 square.
Very good, very good. You are absolutely correct. So we can find out. This is question number 5. So here you can see BC square equals to square of 62, because BC is the hypotenuse plus a square of 40. Okay. So BC equals to square equals to, just do this square to the square of 62 here and then here. And so when you have to find out BC, in that case, what you will do, you have to just square them, add their square, okay, and then find the square root. Can you have you done? Can you tell me what total we are getting here?
Square of 5,444, and it's equal to 73.8.
5,444, right? And equal to?
Yes. 73.8.
Can you repeat?
73.8.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. So now this is, we are getting, this is 73.8. Okay. So note down this. Look at. So Khalila, see, two boats set off from X at the same time. Boat A sets off on a bearing of 325 with a velocity of 14 km/h. Boat B sets off on a bearing of 235 with a velocity of 18 km/h. Calculate the distance between the boats after they have been traveling for 2.5 hours. Give your answer to nearest meter. So you can see the location of A and B and north is given. Okay, all this location we have, and on this basis, whatever data we have to find out the distance between A and B after 2.5 hours. Right. So you know the there is one formula. Okay, velocity of boat A is how much? Of boat A equals to,
Sir,
yeah.
I don't think Davila can join the class.
Okay, no problem.
He said his internet is very bad.
Okay, what we can, okay. Now I think you people know displacement or distance. Distance, or you can write displacement as well. Distance equals to speed. Speed into time, okay? Or okay. So here you can see speed. I mean, speed is what? 14 km and time is what? 2.5. Okay. Km/h. Yes, it's an hour. So now what you have to multiply this and see how much you are getting.
36.25.
Okay. I think it's 14.
Yes.
14.
No, it's not that.
It's 35, I think. 14 times, right?
Wait,
Yes.
I think I got 35.
No, 14 times 2.5. 2.5.
Yes, that's the answer I got.
Yeah.
35, right? And distance traveled by, there is another boat, by boat B. So you know boat B, its speed
18.
is how? 18. Yeah, 18. 18 and time is same, that is 2.5. So it is how much?
45.
Okay, 18 times 2.5, 45 is correct. This is 45 km. Okay. Okay. So in 2.5 and 2.5 hours, boat A travels 35 km and boat B 45 km. Now we can make a diagram. Okay, we can make a diagram and then we can show the location of boat A as well as B. X, this is north. Join this. Okay, this. And what it is 325. What it's, see, its bearing is 325. Okay, then join, this is point B. Join B and X and check what is the bearing of B. This is 235, right? 235. So I will use another ink. For B, this angle is 235. So can anybody tell me what will be this angle? Because here to here is 325.
90.
How much?
90.
Oh, okay. The difference between these two is 90. Okay, good. So this is now okay. Understanding, guys? 325 from this point to the this XA line, but this is 235. So that difference means 90. It is this is the difference. Now join A and B. Join A and B. All line you assume straight line. Okay. On the screen, although it is not looking straight, but you have to take it the straight line. Okay. So what we will do, okay. Now, you know, this 35 kilometer, it travels 35 kilometer. This side is 35, B 45. Okay, and this is what AB we have to find out. Okay, calculate the distance between the boats after they have been traveling for 2.5 hours. This side you have to find out. So how can you find out? AB square equals to, see AB's hypotenuse. So it's 35, it's a square, plus 45, it's square. And now what you have to do, I think people know. Okay, so calculate it. At 6 kilometers away from the east. Okay, then at C it changes direction once again and heads on a bearing of 135 degree towards D, which is 13 kilometers from C. So what we have to do here, we will have to draw a north, because this, and it's making an angle of 135 degree. Okay, 135. So suppose this is 135. Okay, this is 135. Okay, 135 degree, and this is 13 kilometer. This is 13. So do one thing. Now what we have to calculate the distance between S and C, and okay, then S and D. So join this S and this, right? And this also. Okay. So when we have to find out the distance between S and, so you see this will be right angle. Okay. Because you can see as per whenever it is turning due east means at a right angle. So when you have to find out SC square, what you will do? Square of 6 plus square of 6, right? So SC equals to whatever square root of this one. Now, when we come to this point, this you can solve with the help of calculator. Now, when we talk about this one, but you need to solve it first, because then we will be able to find out this SD. Okay. Okay.
It's
so
8.5
8.5. Okay. So
because it's 72 square. Oh, not square root.
Okay.
Root of.
Yeah. Okay. So 8.5. 8.5. Thank you. Okay. 8.5. Now this angle, we need to find out this angle. So can anybody suggest to me this angle? What will be this angle? Look, guys, one thing. This is 6. This is also 6. So this is 90. What will be this angle? And this angle? Equal. These two angle will be equal, because this is 90 degree and these two sides are equal. So angle will also be equal. This is 45 degree. This will also be 45. Okay. Now we have to find out this angle. You have to find out this angle. So how can you find out? Look, this one, this angle, we can find out angle SCD. You know, this is 90 degrees. So how much is left? You can see 360 minus 135. Okay, plus this 45. Okay, and this will be also 90 degree plus 90 degrees. So I think, if I'm not wrong, the difference
It's
will
equal
be 90
to
degree,
90.
right?
Yeah.
But check once. I'm just okay, 90 degree. So if it is 90 degree, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So in this case, SD square will be equals to 8.5 its square plus 13 its square. Okay, so SD will be equals to square root whatever, and then you can write that, guys. So